Hello, welcome to Pop Along RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and we are here at one of my favourite clubs, Millend. I teased myself this morning with a drive-in that summer is nearly here, but unfortunately I can't see any of that blue stuff in the sky. It is a bit of a damp morning, but today is all about the maiden voyage for my short course truck. So here it is, my PR Racing short course truck. Has not been run yet, hasn't been tested. I'm not expecting it to be amazing today because today's about just getting the sort of the trim set up, the balance of the car set up. First thing I need to talk about is tyres. These are the yellows, and it is quite wet out there today. I think the tyres of choice are the silver spirals today. I have also got though, as a backup car, the trusty Pro 4 SC10. I took that out in practice, but this is all about the PR Racing short course truck. Wish me luck. So far so good. Currently sitting third in short course truck after 2 rounds. So at the moment it's Tekno 1, Tekno 2, PR Racing 3, Tekno 4. So it's a good quality field of short course trucks. Okay, so we have the big wheels race. We do like a big wheels race here at Millend. I'm actually going to go stand at a marshal point so that I can get a decent video out of this, I think. Oh, we got another one. We've got another man getting his willy out. There he is. They're going to be playing music over it, so copyright says I can't have this. So I might actually have to fade out, and I will do my own audio after. Now this is something I definitely need to look at. It is getting a shell underneath the short course truck just to protect my electrics, keep it nice and tidy. Now this is the leading car at the moment, running the spirals, which I really need to get hold of a set. They are so much better than the tyres I'm running. Well, maybe you'll let me borrow them for the final.
Maybe not.
The Tekno.
Yeah, it's a 410 super light, so it's the lighter version of this one.
Got ya.
It's about 2 years old, I think. 2-3 years old.
Of course, you got a little bit of carbon fibre in there.
Yeah, a couple of bits.
Looking good.
Yeah, it's done me well.
We're having a good little battle on the track.
We have
today.
been. It's been pretty close, I must say. That's where you'll see the difference in this one to this one. This is the full version of it rather than the light version.
Okie doke.
So it's got thicker chassis, certain bits are larger. This is basically a 1/8 that's been
Converted into a short course
well,
truck.
no, when they built them, they used the 1/8 platform for this one and shrunk it down, and then they used the shrunk down version and made it lighter in different places.
So what an awesome day I had at Millend today. Really great club. I always enjoy my time spent at Millend, and I'm looking forward to spending lots of time there over the summer. Now, they had a little bit of everything going on today. Obviously, we had the big wheel race and the rally cars, but it wasn't just those. We had two-wheel drive buggies, four-wheel drive buggies, and there was also a class of vintage. But I'll tell you what, watching the rally cars go round made me think I need to get back there pretty sharpish, because I would like to take out my Relalo rally car, which I've not actually run properly yet. I've raced it indoors for a bit of fun, and I intend to take it to the track in the woods, but I think that car is going to become my Millend rally car, because it was good fun. As for my short course truck, well, let's take a look at my final. In terms of qualifying, I qualified third in the short course truck, and the plan for this final is to try and stay out of trouble, keep it clean, because I'm definitely quick enough to get second. So let's see how we get on. So here we are, we're off out of the start blocks, and I dropped a space, but I'm going a little bit wide because I don't want to make contact. I'm trying to keep it clean. I aim for the switchback. I've got up the inside there, and I have maintained third position. So now I just need to try and stay out of trouble, keep it clean, and I know I've got the pace on the second car, but I've just been tapped from behind and they've spun me round, which means I've dropped another position. Again, coming into this turn, I've been clipped again, spun me all the way round, and now I am last. I've got a lot of work to do now, so a little bit tight there. As I say, I know I've got pace to be in second in this race. However, it's not a lot of difference between me and second. We were lapping very similar times in qualifying. So at the moment though, I am sitting in fifth, which is not good enough. So the hunt is on for the two cars in front of me. Again, I think there's 3 Teknos and Associated in front, and then I'm obviously running the PR Racing short course truck. They've made a little mistake there, but again, I've not tried to bully my way through just yet. I'm going to wait for my opportunity, because I don't want to get tangled up, because that is going to be costly. So I'm keeping my lines as smooth as possible, and I'm trying to get the job done without making contact. So they've made contact with each other. I check back, I've let them run deep, they've made a couple of mistakes, and now I am through. Just got to try. Oh, I've been clipped from behind yet again. So I've dropped back down a couple of positions. Again here, I'm going to try and stay tight on the inside so I can't get hit from behind. And I am now in 4th place. So hunted down 3rd place. Again, trying to keep it clean. They've made a mistake. I'm back up into 3rd place. And now I've got a little bit of a buffer. So hopefully I'm going to be safe from behind. And as you can see, just coming through the turn there, that was 2nd place in front of me. He's got quite a big gap on me, and unfortunately for me, the gap was just a little bit too big. I think at the end of the race, between us, there was only about 1.5 seconds by the time we got to the end of the 5 minutes. So the car definitely had pace. Considering I was on the pins as opposed to the spirals that everyone else was running, I think I did a really good job with the car. The car was planted, it was doing exactly what I wanted it to do. In terms of the performance of the car, I think it's all good. I think the electrics that I'm running, I was running the Orca motor and Orca ESC, a little bit of a mistake there. Whereas the guys running the Teknos, and in fact all the other short course trucks, are running 1/8 electrics, whereas I'm running the 540 motor. So Is there more performance in the bigger motors? I'm not quite sure. I think this motor, as it is, suits my driving style. So an amazing first day at Millend.